Are you facing issues with TikTok videos stuck on processing on your iPhone? This can happen due to slow internet, app glitches, or something else you don't know. No need to worry. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok video stuck on processing on your iPhone. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before we start, open up the Safari app. Type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. After doing these basic things, if still you have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back home and force close the TikTok app from the Recent tab. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up Settings. Then, tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now try to re-upload the video. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now check whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Networks Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope you can now upload any video you want on your iPhone. Hope now you can upload any video you want on your TikTok app using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.